closer. Looks like there's more Shishimai on the bottom. Okay, now for Sensoji Temple. Really big temple. Oh, there's another Buddha over here. I don't know if this is I don't think this is the Great Buddha. This isn't the Great Buddha, is it?
I don't know. I can't tell all the various Buddhas in them.
Caroline, is this the Great Buddha? Is this the Great Buddha?
Daibutsu? No. God, Daibutsu is 30, 40 feet tall.
Okay, so
Daibutsu is...
No, not the statue, but it's this. I think she's asking, is this a depiction of Buddha? Or
oh no, I was asking if it was the big statue.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh,
This is this is the Buddha, Siddhartha Buddha, but or maybe not. You know, there are a lot of Buddhas.